Hi, my name is Sajan Kapil. I am assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Guwahati, and our lab works in the field of 3D printing. So we try to disseminate the knowledge of 3D printing across the country and through different courses and developing different machines. And we believe that 3D printing is one of the really a sustainable manufacturing process, not only for the sustainability in terms of the material, but also for the society. Many of us think that the 3D printing will take away the jobs, but we believe completely opposite of that. Instead of that, it is going to distribute the manufacturing services across the country. So assume that if you have a big manufacturing plant somewhere at a big part of the country and getting all the parts done there, instead you can have a small manufacturing in batch at different village or different cities, even at different nukkad, right? And you can get it manufactured there of your desirable part based on your choice and based on your customization. So we believe that this technology will really help. And in a hackathon like this, all of the entrepreneurs start with a journey of prototyping where they need to test their parts, fabricate their things, and we believe that 3D printing will be an important enabler in making it true or making their ideas successful. Thank you.